Earnings supposed to be the lifeblood of the market. Is that how you see it, and are you inclined to want to invest right now?
I am inclined. I remain quite confident that the market will continue to climb higher, Bill. And as multiples expand, investors will increasingly lean on corporate earnings to propel the markets higher.
Why do you think the multiples are going to expand? I'm sorry, but this is a very controversial point in the market right now, whether the market deserves a higher multiple.
I believe the market deserves a higher multiple. When I look at the...
meaning that the price will go above what the
when I look at
earnings are
technicals, fundamentals, and valuations, I still think that corporate earnings are going higher because of the U.S. economy, Bob. The U.S. economy continues to be at an above-trend pace, even though we had a very bad Q1 GDP number, minus 2.9%. My forecast and what I see and what I'm telling my clients is that annualized, we're going to be at 3.5%. Annually. And I'm looking at a price target of the S&P 500 of 2050 by year end and 2075 12 months out.
Multiples go up when things like profit margins go up, for example. Yes. Are you anticipating? I mean, we see margins under a little bit of pressure right now.
They are under pressure. I agree.
A lot of charges of earnings engineering as companies buy back shares rather than plowing the money back into capital expenditures of some kind.
I agree. Discounting the cash, the share buybacks, I still feel that with valuations, technicals, fundamentals, I think everything looks good. This market continues to go higher, in my opinion.
By the way, you see now the best performing sector in the Standard & Poor's 500 index is the information technology sector. That is now numero uno.
We've noted the old school tech, the Microsoft, your Cisco's, your IBMs have really been outperforming recently. Tomorrow, by the way, we're going to expand. We're going to get the builders, so D.R. Horton Pulte. We're expecting to hear a little bit of a push up in the second quarter, but we haven't heard a lot from the builders yet. And we're going to get the auto sales. Ford and GM are going to be reporting tomorrow as well. And my favorite big international company, Caterpillar, there's a great indicator of the global construction market, the global demand for businesses overall, because almost 60% of their businesses is overseas at this point.
Favorite sector right now? What would you buy?
I like technology. I like biotech. I like materials. Materials has been doing well, and believe it or not, in this last quarter, consumer services has been doing really well.
So you're investing for growth. You're not investing defensively.
Well, I'm investing for total return. With my clients, I'm always focused on growth and